7 garden pests that are repelled by baking soda. If you're a gardener, you've likely faced annoying pests at some point in your gardening journey. Perhaps you've battled slugs and snails leaving trails across your leafy greens, hornworms munching on delicious tomatoes, or worms ruining the flavor of cauliflower. Combating these problems can leave gardeners feeling frustrated and helpless. Luckily, you don't need harsh chemicals to keep these garden nuisances at bay. Baking soda is a fantastic alternative. Discover key information on which garden pests baking soda repels, and learn tips on using this natural solution for amazing results. 1. Hornworms, the leafy plant destroyers. One of the most unpleasant garden visitors is the hornworm. This green worm, adorned with white diagonal stripes, camouflages itself well and has an insatiable appetite for all types of vegetation, including tomatoes, tobacco, and leafy greens. If left unchecked, hornworms can easily defoliate entire plants in no time. Baking soda to the rescue. Sprinkling baking soda directly on hornworms effectively kills them and creates a protective barrier that deters additional hornworms from approaching your plants. If you notice light feeding at the tops of your plants, a sprinkle of baking soda should do the trick. Tip: look for egg clusters under leaves to identify hornworms before they become a bigger problem. As soon as you identify them, act fast and apply the baking soda. It is safe to use on edible vegetables and herbs, so there's no need to worry about damaging your plants or introducing harmful chemicals into your garden. However, it's always wise to take precautions and test a few leaves before fully committing. 2. Cabbageworms, the sneaky nibblers. Cabbageworms may be small, but they quickly ruin a garden full of beautiful brassicas. These caterpillars, sporting light green bodies with faint yellow stripes, chew holes in leaves, causing significant damage to your garden's vegetables. Effective baking soda solution. To control these pesky critters without harming other beneficial insects, create a mix of equal parts baking soda and flour. Use this mixture as a dust on cabbages, kale, cauliflower, broccoli, and other brassicas to effectively kill and repel cabbageworms. 3. Snails and slugs, the slimy invaders. Snails and slugs are nocturnal creatures that feast on your leafy greens overnight, leaving behind unsightly slime trails. These garden pests wreak havoc on your seedlings, leaves, and flowers. However, there's a simple and natural solution: baking soda. Baking soda action. Baking soda is an effective pest repellent because its natural alkaline content causes these shelled creatures to become dehydrated. To use it for snail or slug control, wait until nighttime when they are most active. Grab a flashlight and sprinkle some baking soda directly onto the slugs and snails you see. Just a pinch will do. Pro tip: if a snail retreats into its shell, dust some baking soda in its opening. This method dries out and kills the snail without causing harm to your plants. 4. Cockroaches, unwanted visitors. Cockroaches are omnivores that can eat anything from plants to book bindings. You can find these creepy crawlers in dark, damp places, and they multiply rapidly if left unchecked. Fortunately, baking soda provides an easy, cost-effective solution to keep them away from your plants. Quick recipe: mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and add enough warm water to form a wet paste. Place this mixture in paper cups, bottle caps, or plates along roach paths and gathering spots. The sugar acts as bait, while the baking soda does the dirty work, killing them when they consume it. Warning: this method can be messy. The roaches may explode from gas buildup in their bodies since they cannot expel it. Be sure to clean up the dead cockroaches promptly to prevent attracting more bugs to your garden. 5. Ants, the uninvited guests. Ants can be found in many gardens, and while they have their benefits, like aerating the soil, uncontrolled ant colonies can destroy your vegetable garden. They munch on seedlings, gnaw on stems, and disrupt the roots of your plants. Baking soda solution. To eliminate unwanted ants, mix equal parts baking soda and salt and sprinkle it around the areas where ants congregate. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in the ants' digestive system, causing them to explode, killing them instantly. Tip: for a more concentrated solution, make a paste with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and enough warm water to make it spreadable. Place it in the areas where ants are gathering for maximum effectiveness. 6. Silverfish, the silent destroyers. Silverfish are commonly seen in gardens, but are not usually harmful to plants. They thrive in wet conditions and often hide under rocks, bark, and debris. However, a silverfish infestation may enter your home, so it's best to act before they become an issue. Silverfish will eat just about anything, including dry foods, soaps, clothes, wallpaper, books, and plants. Baking soda as a deterrent. Baking soda repels silverfish by drying out their environment. Sprinkling full-strength baking soda on your garden soil, especially in paths and around plants, helps keep them at bay. To apply evenly and without over-application, use a flour sifter. 7. Rabbits, the furry bandits. Rabbits may be cute, but they are notorious for terrorizing gardens. These furry creatures love to nibble on flowers and vegetables, leaving your garden in shambles. Effective deterrent. Baking soda acts as an effective deterrent for rabbits and other rodents. To protect your garden, pour a ring of baking soda around the base of each plant, keeping the ring a few inches away from the stem and low leaves for maximum effectiveness. Rabbits dislike the taste of baking soda, so applying it around your plants should deter them from approaching. Baking soda, your garden's best friend. Protecting your garden from pesky critters doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the help of baking soda and these simple tips, you can defend your garden from common pests. Keeping your plants safe from garden pests ensures you have a beautiful and flourishing flower bed or vegetable patch that can reach its maximum potential. Baking soda is a natural, easy, and affordable way to achieve this. So grab your baking soda and let's get gardening. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.